Hi guys, this is Dipesh Malik. You're watching me on Bollywood Live, and today we have a very, very, very sweet guest with us, Manvi Gagaru. Manvi, welcome to the portal. How are you doing?
I am doing good. How are you?
I'm good too. आपसे बात करके और I'm feeling better. यार मेरा first question to you is why so cute?
Can't help it. No, no. Thanks, thanks.
Okay, so I've seen the trailer of Kali Pili Tales, and dude, it's something new, something fresh. We have seen in the trailer. So, what made you say yes to the show?
So the first time I read, Adib had sent me the synopsis and I read it, and I thought it was very interesting because this is complete. Like, I love these slice of life relationship based stories. So I said, let's meet, let's meet. Then he told me the entire script, and I really liked it. He told me Hussein is already on as the husband, and I said, okay, great. Because I know Hussein, kind of, I knew him because we'd done, he was also a theater person and all that. So I was like, okay, great, let's do. And Adib is such a wonderful guy. Like, he's so warm and sweet. And I was like, okay, chalo, let's do this. Like, this sounds like fun. And it was just something that we kind of got together and we did. It's one of those ki हंसी मजाक में हो गया. It was one of those.
Okay. So, यार हमें जितना भी ट्रेलर में देखा है बस इतना हमें पता चला है that you are already married and you have a crush on this gay man. That's what we are aware of the story. I'm sure the story would have a lot more to offer. So, can I ask one thing that made you say yes to this particular thing that this is my shot, I'm gonna take it?
So, a couple of things that I thought were working for the character. One, of course, that what it shows is that these two are, although they're husband and wife, but they're also friends first. They're best friends, and they've probably before they got married, they were dating for a few years. We don't show that, but I'm guessing, and then so there is that level of comfort and familiarity, and that sense of safety that you won't be touched, you can talk about anything. And I thought that's such a good and ideal take on marriage. That's how it should be, that you're partners, right? It's a marriage partnership. So there shouldn't be like so many do's and don'ts that do's and don'ts are fine, and they are also subjective to every marriage, but you should be able to have that communication with each other, to just say whatever and without hurting the other person and stuff. So that was something which worked personally for the character for me. And the other thing which is very relatable, and it's so fresh to see it, that so she talks about, this character talks a lot about being cool, and like, why can't, like, we should be able to talk about our crushes. So what if you're married? And she comes across, on the face of it, she's very woke, but
Mhm.
when it comes down to actually doing something, so suddenly she's like, okay,
Cold
no.
feet.
Yeah, she freaks because the minute she sees a girl hitting on her husband, or the minute her husband says, yeah, I also kind of have a crush on this girl, suddenly you see her being jealous and insecure, and suddenly all that coolness has gone out the window. And I think that is so relatable because
Yeah, isn't it the story of every one of us?
we all do this. We all do this. We are the coolest people before getting into a relationship, or in the beginning of a relationship, and then sara chitte khul jate hain. You start showing your true colors to each other, and then yeah.
Okay, is there any one thing that you have particularly learned on the set of shooting this? Is there any new thing that you've learned, or maybe an instance that would stay with you forever?
I think one thing actually that I learned from Hussein, as an actor, was that he has this very nice quality of, he'll take the line and he'll say the same thing, but he says them in a way that they don't feel like lines. It's like he's talk. Like, there were times when he'd suddenly say, we would be talking about something, okay, something like, just before a scene, and suddenly he'll start saying the lines, okay, and I'm looking at him like, oh, it's because suddenly I'm like, oh, okay, acha, oh, lines kar rahe, so, and then we would start doing lines or whatever. So, and he has that very, like, beautiful quality to make it very conversational and natural, and make it flow in a way that it doesn't feel like you're mouthing dialogues that somebody else has written. They feel like these characters are actually thinking and saying these lines. And I think that's a great quality of the writing also, and the performance. And then like just even the director, like he allows you, he like Adeeb allowed us to be, to do that. He was like, yeah, because it's, as long as you're getting the essence of the scene to me, I'm okay with this.
Talking about Manvi, the relationship stuff that you like, the characters that you like, I think you became national crush when you played Shreya in pictures, and I still remember that one line you said to Naveen, that was if it's not a sacrifice, if it's not gonna hurt, it's not gonna be a sacrifice,
Yeah.
and that like stays with me. And so yeah, there's a lot of buzz about pictures too. So what's up with that?
I have no idea, honestly. Like I know, in fact, we recently did a like an announcement. I think they did of Tripling season 3 and Pictures 2, and I was like literally 5 minutes before the call, before the Zoom, there was a Zoom call. I called them up saying I didn't even know there's a Tripling 3 and like Pictures 2, and they're like, I said, am I not in them? Is that, they're like, no, no, we're just announcing it right now, and then we'll start work on it gradually. So Tripling 3, I know we've kind of started having conversations. So Tripling 3 will start, I mean, shoot will start, I think, by end of this year. But
Okay.
Pictures 2, I have no idea. I hope I'm still in it. I love Shreya.
We would do a strike or something. We need to be. We need to see.
Exactly.
Yeah. Hashtag be on Manvi.
Yeah, yeah, awesome. Do that, do that. That'll be amazing.
Yeah. And what's up with the season 3 or 4 more shots, please?
We're shooting it, yeah. We've had to stop twice,
Uh-huh.
because of the lockdown. First time, the first lockdown, then the second lockdown. But we're shooting. We've been touch wood. It's going well. So I think another month or so, maybe 2 months more, and then we'll finish.
Oh, okay. I'm waiting for that show as well. With that, यार मुझे एक बात पूछनी थी कि आपके जितने भी कैरेक्टर्स हैं ना, सब में you have like relationship के मामले में ना कुछ गड़बड़ होता ही रहता है. Talking about Fomo shots, please. The guy couldn't give you what you wanted.
Yeah.
Talking about this marriage, that I of course I'll watch the show and we'll be able to speak more. But Abhi, on the face of it, it looks like there are problems with that. You're not happy with the marriage. Talking about your pictures thing where you had to give up on the guy. So what's up with you and relationships, dude? What's up with that?
No, firstly, in Marriage 2.0, Kali Pili Tales, it's a very happy marriage. That's the beauty of it. That it's not like they are like, in fact, there's a line also in the film that the husband says that, are you not happy in this relationship? I mean, are you saying you want to like step out of the marriage? And she's like, no, I love you, I'm very happy, and I know you are too. But my only thing is that right now, because it's still fresh and it's still new, we are okay. Like, and she's like, but we are busy, we are both working, we are both busy, and it's just the two of us. Sooner or later, monotony is going to set in, or boredom is going to set in, maybe 5 years, 10 years, 15 years down the line. I just want us to be able to communicate our problems and desires and everything with each other. That's all she's asking for. So it's a very happy marriage. But yeah,
Okay, so it's not growing out of each other. It's
not
just
at
that
all,
you're still
not at
there.
all, not at all.
Okay. And
She's
what's Manvi's take on polygamy?
Firstly, I think to each their own. I also
Uh-huh.
think every relationship is unique, every marriage is unique, and only the people who are involved in a relationship or the marriage should be allowed to make rules. No one else.
Grand salute, grand
Yes,
salute.
thank you. But I genuinely believe in this, and because we all have opinions about other people's relationships, and other people's marriages, and everybody seems to have an opinion on that. But I think it's only the two people involved who should decide what the do's and don'ts, and what's okay and what's not okay. But personally, for me, I have like certain rules as well. So, like for me, for example, infidelity or cheating would be a bit of a deal breaker. Things like that. And what else? Yeah, polygamy. I mean, I'm not personally. I mean myself, but I know people who are, and I'm like, whatever. It's too.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, yeah.
Right, right. Also, when watching the trailer, I got a Modern Love vibes. Have you seen the show Modern Love?
Yes, but I haven't seen this second season. I've seen the first one. Yes.
Yeah, second just released, I think 2 days
Yeah.
back, so you
Yeah.
have time to watch that. So, did you also feel the same that there was a vibe of Modern Love, or do you think that's like a completely new thing that you guys are onto and what's it?
I actually, I remember I told them that we should promote it like Modern Love or something, like India's version
Yeah,
of Modern Love. But but they were like, no, but this is different. This is a different property, and it has its own life. Like it's a different show altogether. It's a different anthology
uh-huh.
altogether. And I was like, yeah, fair enough. But like I said, I love, this is my favorite genre, like slice of life relationships, and humans, and because we are so complex as people, and our
Right,
relationships are even more complex, and then our romantic relationships, I mean,
right.
whether it's marriage or a relationship or whatever, they are like all the more complex. And then the times that we are living in, the kind of lives we are leading, the kind of the choices that we have, don't have, the kind of concepts we know of, like we wouldn't be talking about polygamy like 10 years from now, I mean
Right.
years ago, right? So things like that. There's so many factors, there's so many ingredients to play with, in this genre. So it's my favorite.
Okay, so with that, I'm waiting for the show. And please tell me quickly what next? What are your future projects where fans can see you? Of course, we know about Tripling 3, we know about FOMO Shot 3, we know about Pictures 2 if it's happening soon.
Yeah.
Apart from these shows?
But this is it. One more film ka thing is happening. Like I'm in talks with somebody, but can't talk about it yet because
Okay.
nothing is signed or anything. Yeah, that's about it.
Okay. With that, Manvi, it was amazing talking to you, and I'm desperately waiting for the show to release on Amazon. And 20th co-release, ho raha hai, guys, and I would appeal you to watch the show. Manvi, over to you.
That's it. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Hitesh, for a lovely interview. And please watch Kali Pili Tales on the Amazon Mini TV app. We're dropping on 20th of August, and hope you like it.
Thank you so much, Manvi, for being there. I really enjoyed talking to you.
Thank you. Same here. Thank you.
Yeah. Let's
Bye.
meet soon. Bye.
Bye. See you.